to draw with me. In this project, we're going to draw a picture for birthday. Every year, we have many chances to celebrate birthday for our family and friends. So today, we'll draw a birthday party, and it can be also made as a greeting card. You can see in the middle and little upper of the picture, there is a big square around the whole thing. It makes this picture look like an instant camera photo, right? Like a instant camera photo. And in the middle, there is a big birthday cake with candles. And today is Elephant's birthday. So you can see Elephant, he's sitting in the middle and he's wearing a cute hat, and his friends, the monkey, giraffe, and lion coming to celebrate for him. And there are some cute little flags and stars and balloons to make the party more cheerful. At the bottom, we also write down the art letter for happy birthday and 2 party poppers. Okay, so ready to draw? Good, let's do it.